In 1995, John Assaraf created a vision board and put it up on the wall in his home office. Whenever he saw a materialistic thing he wanted or a trip he wanted to take, he'd get a photo of it and glue it to the board. Then, he'd see himself already enjoying the object of his desire. In May 2000, having just moved into his new home in Southern California a few weeks earlier, he was sitting in his office at 7:30 a.m. when his 5-year-old son, Keenan, came in and sat on a couple of boxes that had been in storage for 4 years. Keenan asked his father what was in the boxes. When John told him his vision boards were in the boxes, Keenan asked, "Your vision what?" The 5-year-old did not know what is a vision board, and John decided to show Keenan what it is. He opened one of the boxes to show him the vision boards inside. John smiled as he looked at the first board and saw pictures of a Mercedes sports car, a watch, and some other items, all of which he had acquired by then. But as he pulled out the second board, he began to cry. On that board was a picture of the house he had just bought and was living in. Not a house like it, but the exact house. The 7,000 square foot house that sits on 6 acres of spectacular views, with a 3,000 square foot guest house and office complex, a tennis court, and 320 orange trees. That very home was a home he had seen in a picture that he had cut out of Dream Homes magazine 4 years earlier. And that is the amazing power of a vision board. A vision board is also known as a dream board. It is a widely popularized idea of creating pictures of what you want to achieve in your life and then make them into a collage so that you can visualize and manifest the things you want. I believe you have heard about the law of attraction. The law simply says that whatever you focus on, you will attract. Just like the famous saying from Buddha, what you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. A vision board is powerful because it is a physical representation of what you want to achieve in your life. It is a collage of items that are meant to kickstart your imagination and help you visualize those goals. You see, when you create a vision board, it forces you to sit down and truly think about what you want in your life. Most people spend time thinking about their dinner and weekend party, but they don't spend time thinking about their life. And in the process of creating your vision board, you are intentionally reimagining the ideal life you want. Not only that, your vision board will act as a visual reminder for what you want in your life. You get to see your dreams and goals every time when you look at your boards. And the more you think about your dreams and goals, the more likely you are going to get inspired, work on them, and attract them into your life. This is why a vision board is powerful. And this is how John Assaraf was able to attract his dream house. Now you understand why it is important to have a vision board. It is time to create one for yourself. Remember, your vision boards are sacred places to house your dreams and goals. They are the things you want in your life. So, make sure you are committed and do it seriously. Take your time to think about your ideal life. What do you want to be, do, and have in your life? Do you want to become rich? How much money do you want to make in a year? What car do you want to drive? What are the places you want to visit and travel to? Do you want to go to the Hawaii? Or maybe Paris? Do you want to visit the Great Wall of China? How many children do you want to have? What will you do on an ideal day? These are some of the questions to help you identify your dream life. Once you know what you want to be, do, and have, create your vision board. Find pictures that represent your dreams and aspirations and put them on your vision board. Most importantly, make sure you visualize the achievement of your dreams every day. See yourself working there, progressing forward, and are enjoying the things you want most in life. Remember, you will become who you think about. So, see yourself as a winner. Because the first step is you have to believe in yourself and say that you can. If you like this video, and want to learn more about achieving greater success in life, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about John Assaraf and his free workshop about changing your minds, check out the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching.